my lovely students. How are you? Hope that you and all your family members must be fit and fine. Today we are going to introduce about Roman numerals. You must have seen Roman numerals written somewhere on the watches also, in the clocks also. Now what are the topics of today? Introduction, basic symbols, rules for writing the Roman numerals, rule of repetition, rule of addition and rule of subtraction. Now what is introduction? Roman numerals is one of the early systems of writing numerals. In this there are 7 basic symbols to write any numeral. If a bar is placed over a numeral, it is multiplied by 1000. For example, V is equal to 5 into 1000, that is 5000. Similarly, X bar means X की value होती है 10 into 1000, that is 10,000, etc. Now there are 7 symbols for representing Roman numerals. I, V, X, L, C, D, M. The value of these symbols in Hindu Arabic number is, the value of I is 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500 and M is 1000. We have to learn all these symbols with their value. Now the rules for writing the Roman numerals. Rule of repetition, rule of addition, rule of subtraction. Now what is rule of repetition? In this we can only repeat a symbol 3 times maximum. Only symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times maximum. For example, X is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. Symbol V, L and D are never repeated. Now what is the rule of addition? If a symbol of a smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of a higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. For example, V I is equivalent to 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 8. Now let us study about the rule of subtraction. If a symbol of a smaller value is written to the left of the symbol of a higher value, we subtract the smaller value from the higher value. For example, XC is equal to 100 minus 10 equal to 90. The symbol V, L and D cannot be subtracted from any number. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only. Symbol X can be subtracted from L and C only. Symbol C can be subtracted from D and M only. Now for better understanding, let us just see these examples. Write 3817 in Roman numerals. 3817 is equal to 3000 plus 800 plus 10 plus 7. So how will we write on 3000? M, D, C, X, V, I. Example number 2. Write CCCXL in Hindu Arabic numeral. How will we write on this? C की वैल्यू कितनी होती है? 300 प्लस XL कितना? 50 minus 10, that is CCCXL is equal to 340. I hope you must have understood all these very nicely. Thank you.